Hi guys, and welcome back to this Model Engineers Workshop. I'm the chef. Now, being in model engineering, of course, we use the machinery, the lathes, the mills, the drills and all of that. One of the byproducts of being a model engineer is swarf. Now, swarf, of course, is the metal version of sawdust. Swarf can look like any of that. So you can see we've got the stringy bits, which are nasty on the lathe because if they wrap around the workpiece they can score it, damage it if you try to reach in and grab it and get it out the way. It'll cut your fingers. This is why in a previous video I've talked about the long handled pliers that can allow you to grab in and grab hold of this and get it out the way. And then you get this stuff. Now this is all nice little small stuff, and the chip breakers on top of the lathe tools and the milling cutters. This is great. This is what you're after, but it has the disadvantage of it tends to get thrown everywhere. Now, I'm a glasses wearer, and you should be wearing goggles and face protection if you're on the machinery. And I don't know like you, but in the last few months there's been adverts for these full face masks that don't fog up and everything, so I found one. Looks pretty neat, doesn't it? Reasonable size, comfortable to wear, cost me $8. Now these are said to be anti-fog, so they don't mist up. Well, I've lost $8 if that's the case, but it was a worthwhile experiment. It was a worthwhile experiment to get a full face mask anyhow, because these swarf, when it's coming off, especially on the lathe, it comes off hot. And it's with regular occurrence. I get a little ting as one piece bounces off the glasses, or a little sharp pain as it hits me in the face. But for $8, the anti-fog, certainly for me anyway, this is only personal, I'm not biased, I'm not sponsored, not anything. This doesn't stay mist free. It mists up, especially with me, whether it's because I'm a glasses wearer or what, I don't know. Plenty of air circulation. You got the hole in the top, you got the band at the top there as well, but there doesn't seem to be any way for the hot air, your breath, to come out the top when you're wearing it, because your forehead is up against this bit. Whether there should be a gap here or what, I don't know. I mean, it's fully adjustable, nice and lightweight. Also, I find that the plastic, nice and hard, is not optical quality. It might be alright if you're doing, I don't know, shoveling stones or dirt or something, but when you're trying to read the dials on the mills, there's a little bit of distortion. I've personally found it difficult to focus through the plastic. Again, whether that's because I wear glasses or what, I don't know. So this is just my thoughts on this mask. Tried it a couple of times. Personally, I've lost $8. That's it. It was a worthwhile thing. I know I subscribe to Adam Savage's channel. It's Adam Savage of Mythbusters. And he's always said, if you think there's a tool or a piece of equipment you like, buy the cheapest. Buy the cheapest first, and if you like it, then later on buy an expensive one, because there's no point buying an expensive tool to find out that you don't like it or it doesn't actually do what you want it to do. And in this case, this is one where this doesn't do what I want it to do. Nice strong plastic mask, face mask, good coverage. As I said before, it gives me not quite the optical quality I would need, and I can wear it for about 15 seconds and it starts misting up. Yep, that covers it, guys. Fits nicely, lightweight, no real problems with it, other than the fact of they say, oh, it's anti-fog, it doesn't mist up. Well, it does for me. And that's the biggest drawback. I was hoping it wouldn't, but it does. Alright guys, little short review on these kind of cheapo, I take it made in China masks. For me, it doesn't quite come up to what I would like it to be. So, but you can just make your own decision up if you want to try one. So I would suggest if you do, go for the cheapest one first and see if it works. If it works for you, good luck. And you can then move on to a more expensive one if you feel it necessary. Righto guys, so I'll leave it at that for now for today. So as always, please like this channel, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell for the notifications when they come out, when I send out the next videos. Alright guys, this is the Chef for today, signing out, and I'll speak to you or see you on the channel soon. Alright guys, thanks a lot. Bye bye.